Now, speaking of Model Ys, maybe you're pumping them out a little too quick. Here we have a story, and this could happen to any automaker. I feel the need to put that disclaimer each time. But here we have a situation where a Tesla Model Y steering wheel has fallen off while driving only 1 week after delivery. The owner experienced firsthand what bad quality control looks like. I mean, this is not a fun experience. On the freeway as well, by the way, by the looks of it.
And he took a picture.
But what are you going to do at that point, right? You're not steering anymore, are you?
But shouldn't you be off on the side there? Or
What do you
try
mean?
to?
You got no steering wheel, Will. Where are you going? I mean, you try to clip it back on and into the column
that's what I would
there.
try to do.
But it's not supposed to come off like it's not bolted in, and the access to the bolt, I believe, is underneath the top cover where the Tesla logo is there. So I don't believe he can actually reattach this, not quickly at least. The only reason I say is because I've been looking at steering wheel replacements, not because I don't like the yoke, but I don't like the material on the yoke. I told you this.
Yeah.
And so I've seen what the process looks like of removing, at least on the Model S, the steering wheel. I presume it's something similar on the Model Y, which is what this guy's driving over here. Twitter user Prena24 posted that the steering wheel popped off. Here you can see the original tweet. Family was excited to receive new Tesla Y delivery 1/24/2023, January 24th. Was driving on the highway and all of a sudden the steering wheel fell off. I was lucky enough there was no car behind and I was able to pull onto the divider. So not over to the side, but just, I guess, near the divider where the user probably, or the driver probably would have already been. Anyways, this is kind of a terrifying moment on the freeway. Steering wheel comes off.
That's the worst case scenario, right?
Yeah, you can't, like, it's one thing in your driveway if you're just backing out and the steering wheel comes off. You're like, oh, well, this is weird, but not that dangerous. But on the freeway, and that steering wheel pops off, that's terrifying. You can see the aftermath. They got to come and retrieve it and everything else. Now, I just feel the need to always remind people that weird things happen with all cars. It's when you're talking about Tesla, these stories are much more interesting. New automaker, extremely hot model of vehicle. So there's going to be more scrutiny and analysis, but there's no other way to slice it. This would be a brutal experience for this individual, and you hope that they get taken care of, because that is not what quality looks like, Will.
Mm-hmm.
Am I responsible for this manufacturing defect? It's not even a week, and I'm getting a bill for the steering wheel. Isn't it the company's responsibility? Yeah, for some reason, it's $100 bill there as well. So you sort this guy out, Elon. Hey, sort this guy out. Go talk to this Twitter user. I think you know a thing or two about Twitter.
Yeah.
So go talk to him, and he shouldn't pay $100 if steering wheel pops off on a freeway. Give him $100.
Yeah.